Today we're diving into an exciting piece that's taken the electric vehicle landscape by storm. Have you ever wondered how Tesla managed to upend the traditional automakers and emerge as the victor in the charging wars? Well, the answer is multi-layered and way more intriguing than you'd imagine. Stay tuned as we unbox this electrifying tale of strategy, innovation, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. Let's dive right in and talk about what happened with Tesla's stock during the last trading session on August 3, 2023. Opening up at $252.04 and closing at $259.32, we saw a substantial change in Tesla's price, showing an increase of about 2.05% from the previous close of $254.11. And while the percentage change might not seem large, it is significant given the size of Tesla as a company. It's quite fascinating that the stock managed to rise despite the broader market's volatility. We saw it hit a daily high of $260.49 and a low of $252, giving us a trading range of around 3.37%. The range gives us an insight into the tug-of-war that happened between the bulls and the bears throughout the day. The stock traded with a volume of 97139.846, which, if we compare to the average daily volume of 126619215, was a bit lower than average. Now, this lower-than-average volume tells us that the move was not necessarily backed by strong conviction from investors. Typically, we like to see higher volumes on up days as it shows strong buying interest, but in this case, it could be that some investors are remaining on the sidelines, perhaps due to the current surge signals. Speaking of which, Tesla's surge signals for the session were quite spread out, with $255, $261, and $264 to the upside and $252, $246 to the downside. The price action for the day was interacting heavily with these surge signals. Notably, it rebounded from a lower signal of $252 early on in the session, showing that there's a strong support level. Also, the stock tested but couldn't quite break through the $261 signal on the upside, indicating a bit of resistance at this level. Okay, let's switch gears and take a look at the news. The article we are discussing today is quite intriguing, talking about how Tesla has essentially won the charging wars against its rivals. It's a fascinating deep dive into Tesla's strategic choices that have led it to dominate this aspect of the EV market. This victory in the charging wars could potentially lead to a significant increase in Tesla's stock value. The first reason is the clear endorsement from other automakers like Ford, GM, and possibly even Toyota. By choosing to use Tesla's charging ports, these companies are acknowledging Tesla's superior technology, which will likely increase consumer confidence in the brand. The article outlines how Tesla's proprietary North American Charging Standard, NACS, has proven to be more reliable than the Combined Charging System, CCS, that other manufacturers have rallied around. This reliability is a major selling point for consumers who are considering buying an EV, and it's a crucial factor in Tesla's continued dominance in the market. The article goes on to suggest that there's a certain coolness factor attached to Tesla, which these traditional automakers hope to capitalize on by aligning themselves with Tesla. Tesla's cool factor can't be ignored. It's definitely a driver for consumer interest and could contribute to a positive impact on Tesla's stock price. But more than just the cool factor, Tesla has continued to innovate and push boundaries. Its commitment to its existential purpose to accelerate the world's transition away from fossil fuels, coupled with an obsession with customer delight and radical collaboration, has enabled Tesla to stay ahead of legacy automakers. Now, moving on, let's look at the surge signals for the upcoming trading session on August 4, 2023. We're seeing upward surge signals at $264 and $268, which suggests that if Tesla's stock price reaches or breaches these levels, we could confirm a bullish trend for the stock. Conversely, if the stock price falls to or below the downward surge signals of $255 or $250, this could indicate a bearish move. These surge signals can act as psychological levels for traders, influencing buying and selling decisions. And now, we're at the end of our session. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you found this information valuable and would like to stay updated on the latest news, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Also, in the comment section below, I'd love to hear your thoughts on Tesla's victory in the charging wars. Do you think this dominance will continue, or could another EV player disrupt this space? Can't wait to hear your thoughts. Until next time, keep an eye on the market, and stay invested.